Today is how to score cover stock without a letterpress. If you're a small print shop that has a little paper cutter like this. This is my little backup paper cutter that I use. What I did was I put a piece of scoring rule in here, and and there's enough room that I was able to put the cutter stick back in to wedge it in there, and I even had to make some shims, just some business card stock down in there to make sure it's nice and snug so it doesn't move. You don't want it to flop over. Then I took about 4 sheets of, I believe it's 22 point, chipboard backer that you use for notepads. Put that onto the clamp with double-sided sticky tape. Then you set your back gauge where you want your score to be, and it'll be pretty close to what your dial says. Slide that in there, crank that down, tighten it as much as you can, pull it back up, and now you got a real nice score. A little bit dirty, I don't know if you can see it through this camera. And I can fold it with one hand. There. It'll score real good. You're going to go, one at a time, obviously. Maybe do 2 at a time, but 1 at a time. Just like pretend you're a letterpress. And at least that for, if you're doing 50 books that need a score, you don't have to send it out to have it done at a letterpress shop. You can do it here. It's really quick. You can, practically do 50 of them by the time you set up your kludgy to do it. And you get good registration because you're up against your back gauge. Any questions or comments, let me know. But I've been doing this for a few years like this, and it's really helped out a lot. For more tips and tricks with printing, I'm going to be uploading them into my channel, so go ahead and subscribe, and then we can show you what else that we do around here that's unusual.